So I'm going to show you how to calibrate the gyroscope on your Xiaomi 17 Pro. So go to settings and then go to my device at the top there. And then under my device, go to detailed info and specs, tap on that. And then you want to scroll down and find the kernel version. And you can tap on that about 4 or 5 times, beg your pardon, until you see this CIT list. Now here, you want to look for the gyroscope. So these are all the components of your phone. So you should see gyroscope. You can tap on that, and then that's the gyroscope. So you can just hold your phone still as your gyroscope calibrates. Basically, you can see what's going on here. So to calibrate, go back and then tap on the 3 dots in the top right corner and select additional tools. And then you will see gyroscope sensor calibration test. So you can tap on that and then tap on calibrate, hold your phone still, and you can see the calibration has been passed. Simple as that. Thanks for watching and good luck.